Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about the Go language definition and what the Go language can do in the main goals. So why actually people are actually looking for Go language, right? Let me go. Basically, I want to give you a simple definition for the Go language right now. So basically, Go language is Go language is compiled based programming language. Guys, it is basically compiled programming. So we have to know there are two kind of programming languages. One is the compiled programming, one is the interpreted programming. And this is basically compiled programming and concurrent garbage collected programming language. Garbage collected programming language. See, when you compare with other programming languages, C, C++, Java, all these things, Go language is actually a special programming language which is going to be having the concurrent concurrent garbage collected programming. Yeah, so Go language is basically compiled programming and concurrent garbage collected programming language. When you compare with other programming languages, this is going to be a something different. This is going to be a something different. Okay. And actually Google that combines the performance of languages like C, C++. Google, this is actually Google's programming language. Google combined the performance, basically performance wise, C, C++, top notch, you know, na? Huh. Google combined this C, C++, C, C++. So you know that C is the structured oriented programming language or uh, procedural oriented programming language, but C++ is something like object oriented programming language. So the simplicity obviously we will be having in the obviously we'll be having in the Go language. That simplicity is going to be giving. It is looking like Python. So very simple, straightforward syntax which is going to be available. And safety modern programming languages. And safety modern programming languages. Yeah. That is actually a simple definition of this Go language. Okay. So let me go features. What are the main goals? Main goals of the Go programming language is the first one is speed, sir. So how the program compiles, how the program compiles with the speed compilation and execution. Speed compilation and execution. And one more thing, simplicity. So simple. It is very simple. It is very simple. So straightforward, which is like JavaScript, which is like a Python. So very simple way you can write the programming languages like you know complexity of the Java, you know the complexity of the C sharp. Not like that. This is having the simplicity, and Go language is having a very much trending in the market. Why? Because of the speed and simplicity. At the same time, you will be having the concurrency. I told already this is having a concurrency very high level. This is having concurrency high level. And one more thing is efficiency. 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 Very high level efficient. This programming language is very level efficient. Efficient when you compare with other programming languages, efficiency is high level. So designed for system level program, but safe and memory manager level. And one more thing is scalability. So scalability is also very good. Scalability is also very good. That is the very reason people are actually looking for the Go programming language. Why that many requirements are there for the Go language in the companies? Now all the companies are actually recruiting the people for the Go language. Why? Because of all these features basically. And basically this is a statically typed programming language like C language. Okay, so you know that this is static typed. Like I need to give the integer for integer variables, I need to give the int. For floating data types, I need to give the float. That way, this is the very simple thing. And syntax is very complex, efficient syntax and good syntax and simple syntax, which is going to be available. At the same time, garbage collection. The one more important thing is garbage collection. There are multiple features. There are multiple features. Why Go language is actually attractive and why people are actually looking for the Go language and all. And one more thing is cross-platform. Cross-platform. It is actually available for all the operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux. That is the why reason that is a garbage collection. Sorry, that is the why reason that is called crash platform. And one more important thing, this is having fast compilation. Fast compilation when we compare with other programming languages like C, C++, and different Java and even C Sharp also, this C is going to be having the fast compilation when the program got executed. When the program converting to the normal programming to machine code, normal programming machine code, that is actually called fast compilation. Strong standard libraries. Yes, Go language is going to be having standard, strong standard libraries. So later you may know understand when it is going to be available in the backend part, when it is going to be connected to the REST APIs, when it is going to be connected to the databases, that that much strong standard libraries which are going to be available. And as usually, this is the binary language conversion using with the compilation. So that is the why reason this Go language is going to be having highly in the demand in the market. So in coming days, Go language available everywhere in the full stack, everywhere in the companies. Getting my point, guys? Based on the speed, based on the speed compilation, based on the simplicity, based on the concurrency, based on the efficiency, based on the scalability, based on the static typed programming, based on the syntax, high level syntax and easy syntax, simple syntax. Just like that, you write the program easily. Any programming language, you feel like when you take Java, when you take C Sharp, you may feel like a complex, na? But no, Go language is not like that. Actually, Google was thinking like, I want to give a special programming language, a combination of C and C++ with easy syntaxes, and which is having a garbage collection highly available. In other programming language, garbage collection is actually very less performance in the mode, but in the Go language not like that. Garbage collection is very high level. And one more thing is cross platform. All the platforms, Mac operating system, Windows operating system, Linux operating system, you can able to install free of cost, no need to pay money for this. And fast compilation, super. When you see the compilation way, Go language is actually compiling the code in a very faster way. You give 1,000 lines of the code, it will compile very easily, just like that. That is the why reason all the companies are looking number of employees for Go language nowadays. And all the applications, lot of applications in the C and C++ migrating to the Go language. Remember this. Strong standard libraries and number of libraries which are going to be generating on the top of the Go language. Remember. So Mohan's strategy is different. Mohansh is providing programming languages all free of cost in the YouTube channel. You no need to pay money. You no need to pay money. We Mohansh Technologies providing all programming languages free of cost. And again, we are going to be starting the batches for the Python, JavaScript UI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript UI. Already we started the batch last week, Dasra day, October 2nd. Please join for the groups. I will share the link in the description. You join in the group, you listen the classes. This is special. When you compare with other programming, other institutions, Mohan's strategy is different. Mohan's is providing all the programming languages free of cost in the YouTube channel. At the same time, Mohan's having the courses, all emerging technologies only. Nobody can touch these kind of technologies. Nobody can touch these kind of technologies, and people can get the jobs immediately when you learn these kind of technologies. Remember, guys, like a quantum computing, like a blockchain Web3.js and blockchain Python, at the same time ethical hacking, and we will be having a different kind of cybersecurity model. Cybersecurity is going to be available next 30 to 40 years in the high level in the market, like ethical hacking, identity access management, SSO, single sign-on. These are the required in the companies, guys. And again, I'm telling to you, Mohan's strategy is different, and we will be having all the batches. Like when we start the batches, so you will be getting the notified in the YouTube. So please like the video, subscribe the channel. Comments are needful. You share with your friends. You share with your family members and share with your colleagues, whatever it may be. But all the programming things we are giving free of cost. In YouTube, I will upload multiple playlists. In the different kind of playlist, you just observe one by one all the videos. You will be getting engaged. And please do practice well. Please do practice well. Whatever the syntaxes I'm explaining in the classes, please do practice well. Yes? Getting my point? Yes, I'm going to be giving the multiple programming languages. Mohan's strategy is different. Okay, so for this Go language, you will be having huge number of demand. Let me show. Let me show Naukri. So can you see in the Naukri, I searched for Go developer. Can you see thousands of jobs, thousands of job openings? You see in the LinkedIn, sir. You see in the LinkedIn, when you search for jobs portal, just go for the jobs and search for Go programming. You will be getting blow number of jobs, huge number of jobs. Can you go with the found it? Even found it also giving huge number of openings. Go for the link. Indeed, Indeed is giving n number of, see, senior Go developer, senior software engineer, and Golang cloud developer, and Golang, yeah, come down. Senior backend software engineer, Go. Can you see? Huge number of job openings. So search for one by one all the pages. You will be getting n number of job openings for the Go languages. Go language. Go is Google's language. Google is the number one company in the IT industry. And he is not leaving the Go language like not like that. He will focus. You know, Google GCP, how the GCP is running. You know, Google Flutter, how Flutter is running. You know, Google Drives, how the Google Drives are running. And Google have their own special language called Go language. That is going to be trending in the market in the next 20 to 30 years, remember. So that's what actually I want to tell you guys. And Mohansh Technologies website you watch, we will be having all the different kind of specialized courses. Not like Amirpet courses, not like different kind of Bangalore courses, Chennai courses. We have only specialized courses. These courses, job-oriented courses. When you go for this job or when you go for this course, automatically you will be selected in any one of the company with a good packages, minimum 12 to maximum 30, 35 also. You know, this kind of, this kind of PingFederate, Ping Access, people are getting 20 lakh packages. You know, this MuleSoft, people are getting 18 lakhs packages. You know, this blockchain, Web3, JS and quantum computing, people are getting 18 lakhs to 24 lakhs packages. Don't watch the boards. Boards are actually showing like we are having the course like we are offering 35 lakh package minimum. Don't go for tempt. That is the tempting matter. That is a tempting matter. You research about it. You research. All these courses are trending only. Watch mohanstechnologies.com. You can able to understand whatever the courses we are providing. Just do some research on that. And come to the one more point. People are actually watching the videos but not subscribing. I seen 96% percentage of the people just watching and going, but not subscribing. If you subscribe the channel, you will be getting the n number of videos notifications. Not only subscription, you have to click the bell icon also. Please click on the bell icon. Your comments are valuable for us. Please provide a comment for the video. All programming content, all programming related videos, and even all the emerging technologies videos also in YouTube channel we will upload. We will upload. Definitely we will upload. Please refer your friends also. You're only watching and enjoying it is not a matter. You have to refer your friends and family members, sir. Yeah, that is what actually I want to tell you. In the next video, I will install Go language. Definitely. Practicals lab is going to be starting in the next class onwards. So stay tuned with the lab. Go language. You people have to be Golang developers. You have to be Golang developer job oriented persons. Next 20 to 30 years, this is going to be rocking in the market. Remember it. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Comments are needful. Bye bye. See you. Signing off. We'll meet on the next video. Next video onwards, we have only practical, lab. It means what? I will install the Go language. I will go through the programming. You also stay with me. Bye bye.